Alright, let's continue working on question 1b from exercise 12d. So from our previous work, we know that du is equal to 2x dx. So the next part is we are going to use that for the integral of 2x 1 plus x squared raised to the power 3 dx. This time I'm going to rearrange the terms so that we can use the information that we got from our previous work. So that will be 1 plus x squared raised to the power 3 2x dx. So this is still the same question, just rearrange the order. Can you see that? Now, from our previous work, we know that we let u be 1 equals to 1 plus x squared. So this whole thing, 1 plus x squared, that will be just u. Now from our previous work as well, we know that du is equals to 2x dx. So I can write this as du. So now what we got is just integral of u to the power 3 and then du. So that answers the second part of the question. Show that the integral can be written as u cubed du. Alright? Now the third part, which is find the primitive of 2x times 1 plus x squared raised to the power of 3. In order to find the primitive of that, all we need to do is just integrate this. So far from our previous work, we know that the integral can be written as this, so that I can just continue working on this in order to get the answer for question 1c. Alright? If I do that, this is what I get. So here, if I integrate that, that will be u to the power of 4 raised to the power by 1 divided by new power, and then plus c. Okay? This is just coming from there. So I integrate that. And then substitute u back into the equation. Here, substitute this. And then I end up getting 1 plus x squared raised to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. So that will be the primitive of that function. Okay? Now let's continue. It says that check question D. It says this time check your answer by differentiating it. Check if it will give us 2x times 1 plus x squared to the power of 3 or not. So let's check that. 1D, so we know that from our previous work, the primitive function will be 1 plus x squared raised to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. If I differentiate this, I should get the integral. Okay, let's do that. You know what, I'm going to pause the video here and then answer 1D in the next video so that the video is not that long.